Farmers Okonkwo of Uralo Village, Enugwu-Ukwu, in Enugwu-Ukwu local government area, has been initiated into the prestigious Ozomkpu Enugwu-Ukwu no Munri Society. The ceremony, which held at his compound in Enugwu-Ukwu, was graced by great personalities in the community and beyond. Correspondent Chukwemeka Modelim now reports.
Colorful ceremony commenced with procession by Ndinze Nozo Enugwu-Ukwu na Umunri, from where he ushered them into his compound with a special traditional music, while decorating Chief Okonkwo after all the Ozomkpu rituals and his initiation have been performed. The head of Ozo Enugwu-Ukwu na Umunri, Chief Raphael Okafor, assisted by other Ozo title holders in the community, called on him to always abide by the rules and regulations guiding the society, which among other things is to be honest at all times and ensure peace and sustainable development of the community. Chief Okafor described Ozomkpu as the highest prestigious title in the community that is given to someone who has the virtues of honesty, good character, and must have contributed to the development of the town. On his part, Chief Okonkwo, whose Ozo title name is Akwenwebe 1, promised that he will abide by all the rules and regulations guiding the society, as well as continue his philanthropy in the area. In their separate speeches, the president of Ozo Enugwu-Ukwu no Munri, Chief Dennis Anekwe, and the secretary of the society, Chief Jude Ekwinife, explained that Ozo Enugwu-Ukwu no Munri was instituted by the progenitor of the community, and giving it to people who deserve it is part of the ways of epitomizing and sustaining the Ozoship, which they said is the fundamental society bequeathed to them by their father. They described Chief Okonkwo as a great philanthropist who has contributed to the development of the community and touched lives positively.
The fear of God nobody. So the need of if you are chiozo tata, oh madudo, if you zolo, Pundu no as no Mando and Aloro, no Mando and Mira, all the Madaka and the children in Wuku. Already I can live on this a change of some by the Manovo. Oh, I be interview or die interview. Very not a minute also so far came where.
The member representing Njikoka 1 constituency in the Anambra State House of Assembly, Honorable Chedi Ibemeka, felicitated with Chief Okonkwo and urged him to continue to use his wealth to promote peace in the community and alleviate the sufferings of the downtrodden in the society. Presentation of certificate of recognition to Chief Okonkwo by the traditional ruler of Enugwu-Ukwu no Munri, Igwe Raf Epe, was the climax of the ceremony. From Enugwu-Ukwu, Chukwemeka Modelim, ABS News.